everyone, welcome back to my channel, Glamour Has No Age. Today we're going to review the Colourpop Sandstone palette. It's not new on the market. It's been on Colourpop's website for a little bit, but it is new to Ulta. 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 shadows, a mixture of mattes, metallics, and sequin shadows. It looks like this. The outside packaging looks like this. I thought it was very pretty, and the color story I liked. It's something I could use on a day-to-day basis. Let me get you some swatches. So that is the first row. Pretty neutral, cool. I'd say warm to cool. Second row. And that's what the second row looks like. Third row. My eyes primed with my MAC paint pot. I'm gonna take my blending brush. I'm gonna take this Big Bend, it's a sequin shade, and just dust that all over the eyelid. Then I'm going to take my little shader, my little blending brush, and I'm going to go into Canyon Loop, which is right here. That's another sequence. I'm just gonna blend that out again with the first brush that I used. I do like Colourpop's formula. It's pigmented, but it's not overly pigmented. Then I'm gonna take my shader brush, and I'm gonna go into what's called Red Earth, this metallic right here. Use my shader brush and go into this metallic right here, which is Red Earth. I'm gonna go back into this color right here. And that is my first look. Not bad, it's wearable. Then I'm gonna do my second look. I'm gonna go into this open road right here, a sequence, and put that all over the lid. And I'm gonna go into this color right here, Big Butte. I'm gonna use my brush that I put all over my lid and kind of run that all out. Then I'm gonna take my shader brush and I'm gonna go into Spring Valley, which is right here, kind of a coppery color. And that's my second look. Not bad. I think the looks are pretty. And I do recommend this palette. It was pretty cheap. I think less than $18. And they are pigmented. I got good payoff just by using the brushes. And it's at Ulta if you want it. Thank you for watching. If you like videos like this, please consider subscribing. Hit the like button. Hit the notification bell to know when I upload. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video.